taga. Late na tayo. Late na tayo. Ang venue namin.
How many guests are we at right now?
Is there any chance that I can get a tetanus shot today?
Ano sa'yo, ate, pagkasado? May chicken, then asado.
Eto, paano po malalaman yung pagkakalo? Hi everyone, Crystal here and welcome to another video. So for today, pupunta lang tayo ng wedding venue namin ni Kat kasi ngayon na yung 80% ng meeting para sa preparation ng aming wedding. And then ayun, late na ako. Ang aking meeting is 1 PM and then makakarating ako din ng 1:09. So ayun guys, update ko na lang kayo later. Bye! So, ayan guys, na-traffic tayo dito kasi merong dumadaang train. So, mahaba yan. Tingnan natin kung gaano tayo katagal na maghihintay dito. Sana matapos na siya. Ang taga, late na tayo. Late na tayo. So, ang oras ay 12:10 na. Ayan. Nasa cellphone ko. Ayan, tapos na. So, see you guys later. Hi everyone. So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa venue. And, bababa na tayo para makapag-meeting. Yun lang, chika ko lang. So, ayan, ang venue namin ni Babe. Text ko si Lisa. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, you?
Good. You want to look at anything before?
No, that's fine. We're good.
So today we're just gonna kind of go over like the timeline of the day, and then have you made menu selections or?
Yeah,
Okay.
kind of.
Okay. Well, we can talk about that too. You still have a little bit of time to like confirm that. But we'll just talk about what you know so
Okay,
far.
sure.
So how many guests are we at right now?
So right now we do have 45.
Okay.
Yeah, we do have 45,
Okay.
including the band and the officiant.
Okay.
Mhm.
Perfect. And they're if the officiant's gonna stay like through dinner.
I'm gonna ask him to stay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Okay, have a good day.
Yeah, thank you. So, ayan guys, natapos na yung meeting natin ngayon. So, 80% ng preparation dito sa venue, pinag-meetingan na ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung pupunta ako ng Shoppers. Probably I'll go to Shoppers kasi nga kasi nakalimut ako ng pusa ngayon. Kaninang umaga nakalimut ako ng pusa. Kaya titingnan ko kung makakapagpa-tetanus shot ako. Kasi nga, yun nga. Dito tayo sa Shoppers na malapit dito sa venue ng wedding namin. And nandito siya sa likod ko kasi nagpark ako sa pinakaharap. Ay, mga bilihan mo yan. Merong fresh street market. Tapos may mga ano dyan sa paligid, may mga kainan or basta may mga offices ng mga ICBC and everything. Basta yung mga ganun yung mga insurance. So may mga Pizza Hut, may Tommy Guns, yung gupitan ng buhok. Yun, tapos Telus. Basta ang dami mga kainan din dito. So pupunta muna tayo ng Shoppers and tingnan natin kung ano pang magagawa natin after. Rico. Pupunta tayo sa pharmacy. Tingnan natin kung makakapag-tetanus shot. Pero sana makahanap ako ng police spring dito para malagyan ko yung aking nasan kaya dito yung police spring? Hi, I have a question. Where is the police spring? Police spring, like the antibiotic for bites.
Sorry, I don't work here.
Oh, sorry.
Just here for the demo.
Oh, okay.
You wanna have a coupon?
Okay, sure.
This is for the luminous serum for
Okay.
and a liquid definer, and it's valid till like 27th of March. So if
Okay.
you buy any of the products, you can get $10 off,
Okay.
and if you spend more than $50, you get 5,000 PC points.
Okay. Thank you so much. Pakapala ng mukha kasi nagbi-video ako. Pero hindi ko siya makita. Nasaan ba yung police spring? Shampoo ko. Okay.
Go ahead.
shot. Hi, sorry, question. Is there any chance that I can get a tetanus shot today?
Been here before?
No.
Do you have any ID before?
Yeah. And then, what do you recommend for the cat scratch?
My pharmacist can recommend you anything. First, I'll help you to cater.
Okay, sure.
Do you have any allergies to it?
No.
Do you have any insurance and coverage?
Pardon?
Do you have any insurance?
Insurance.
I think that is covered.
One touch of area.
Don't need insurance for that.
I believe I do have an insurance for that.
Sorry about that, sir. I don't have the variant.
You can check this. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Can you please fill up this form for us? Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry, not yet.
You can just have a seat there and fill up the form there.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Hi, I'm ready.
But it's like kind of like ready for you. Sorry,
That's fine.
kind of weird. Sorry.
Because I got
cat scratch?
yes.
Like a wild cat or like what?
No, it's my landlady's cat. So
Okay.
it's just like a
Why was
house
she
cat.
angry?
Because there's two cats at home, and then they are like fighting by my door. When I'm going to my door, like they are, I was like, what?
You're not even part of it. You didn't do anything. Alright, so we're doing tetanus shot, which is tetanus and diphtheria because tetanus never comes by itself.
Mhm.
But it prevents tetanus toxin, which is a bacteria that produces toxin
Yes.
called tetanus.
Mhm.
And that unfortunately that toxin can stop muscle movement, and the muscle we worry about is the diaphragm.
Okay.
Which is why it's recommended to get the vaccine every 10 years should something like this happen, or if it does happen, to get the vaccine anyway.
Okay.
But yeah, so now that you're like, should you get another fight with the cat, you're fine for 10 years. Sorry.
Yeah, I got nervous earlier. I was like, no.
Like now you don't have to worry about it. But yes, polysporin is a good idea, but not those. But I'll show you which one.
Okay, sure, perfect.
Because these are hydrocortisones. These are just good for like if you're having eczema and things like that. But we need the antibiotic one.
Yeah. Mhm.
Do you want to just drop it down from the
Yeah,
shoulder?
sure.
Because that is a really good shot.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you. So it is a routine vaccine. It's not gonna cause you a fever or anything. It might be a little sore. So of course take Tylenol if you need to, but otherwise, you should be completely okay. So enjoy your day. And oh, you guys are beautiful. Okay. That's that. I'll show you where the polysporin. Just 5 minutes in the front to make sure you're okay.
Just sit there like
I'll walk
forever.
around. You just don't want you behind the wheel. Just in case you feel dizzy, then you're fine. Somebody will
Hey.
find you.
That's true.
With you to the eye.
I'm gonna put this back here.
Did it cut, like break, like was it bleeding or anything? Or?
Okay. Well, it bleeds, but I already have a bandage for that
Okay.
right
So
now.
then, I would probably go with. So it's bleeding right now too.
No,
Not
no,
anymore?
no.
So then we can go with like just the ointment. We have, unfortunately, I don't have the brand name, but I do have this in a light brand if you want to.
Mhm.
So the 30 size should be enough. It's a small scratch, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. This has 3 different types of antibiotics. Which is this one.
This one.
So just to prevent it, like it's a little stronger. It's good to have at home again.
Okay, yeah, probably it's
Yeah.
gonna get this one.
Yeah, and just apply it 3 times a day, just for a couple of days, just to prevent it from getting infected. Because right now it's not infected. It's just
Yeah.
prevention.
That's true. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Ayun, napaka-helpful naman yung pharmacist na yun. So, and then we just go around for now. And then let's see what we can get. Baka pumunta ko ng Mr. Siopaw ngayon kasi parang gusto ko ng kape na binigay ni Kuya Brian. Hi everyone! So, natapos na tayo magpa-tetanus shot. And then, ngayon naman is pumunta ako dito sa Mr. Siopaw. Gusto ko lang bumili ng kape at saka ng makakain. Kasi, aray ko, ang sakit. Kasi wala na akong makain. So, grabe yung parking dito. Kasi napakasikip. Pero dito, tingnan natin kung makakadaan tayo dito. Ito, may mga basura pa. Kasi meron ditong construction. So, ayan. And then, nandito tayo ngayon, naglalakad. So, ewan ko ano to. Pero ayan, nakalagay, Filipino style steam buns. Mr. Siopaw. Oh, it's sarado. Sarado ba sila? Yun lang, sarado sila. Ay, hindi. Open. They're open. So, okay. So, magtitingin tayo ng mabibili dito. Asan kaya yung open here? Ay, ate. Ay, ito. This one. Sabi, ito yan. Baka ito yun. Ito yung binili ni Kuya Brad. Kuha tayo ng dalawa. Tapos, tingnan natin kung ano makakain.
Kailangan pagtawag ng pangalan, nandyan ka. Kaya, ayaw kong pauwiin.
Kasi nga, hindi ako yung pera mo eh. Kala ko ba napakarami mo.
Hello po. Ano po mga ulam na available ninyo?
Ito po.
Ayun po.
May buffet din kami sa kanila.
Okay po. Ready na po. Pwede pong maka-order ng siomai.
Ano siya may po?
Yung pork siomai po.
Yung siomai po namin pork with shrimp.
Opo, sige po.
Ano pa po?
And then, lechon sisig po.
Yung plate or meal?
Yung plate po.
Go to, no?
To go po, opo.
Ano pa po?
At saka, available po yung leche flan niya.
Yes.
Opo. Isa pong leche flan, at saka isa pong pinitong tilapia.
Gusto mo initin?
Hindi na po.
Ano pa?
Yun lang po. Lahat po ba nitong siopaw ninyo is asado? Or,
Bola-bola to.
ay, bola-bola to?
Yung asado na sa pinakataas.
Nasa pinakalas. Okay po.
Ano sa'yo, ate, pork asado? May chicken then asado. May bola-bola.
Ito po. Ano po ba to? Opo.
Pork asado.
Paano po malalaman yung pagkakaiba?
Okay, that.
May that. Pag yung chicken at saka yung pork?
Yung pork asado, walang rada. Yung chicken, may isang tundok. Yung
okay.
bola-bola, dalawa.
Okay.
Ito, puro asado.
Ang daming dot. Kaya puro dot.
Ito lang.
Apo.
126.
Isa po. Hi everyone! So ayan, nakabili na ako sa Mr. Siopaw ng mga pagkain. Actually, naparami nga. Grabe. Naka 100 plus ako. But anyway, so ayun, pauwi na tayo kasi naghihintay na ang aking fiancé. But ayun guys, see you na lang later. Bye! So, mababa ang gas ngayon. So, 165.9 per liter ang gas ngayon. Kaya, ang dami nagpapagas. Kanina 169. Tapos, kanina ngayon pagbalik ko dito, 165 na. Ayun, 165.9. Hindi ko lang po nakita. Pero, yon ang presyo ngayon. Kasi baka wala na akong panahon para magpagas bukas. Kaya, nagpagas na ako ngayon. Ayan, so ito yung gas natin today. Yeah. And then, uwi na tayo. Dahil, naghihintay na ang aking jowa. Kaya uuwi na tayo. So, ayan guys, we'll see you later. So, ayan guys, ito yung pinimili natin kanina sa Mr. Siopaw. Di ba? Napakarami. So, ayun, tingnan natin ito mamaya.
Everything goes his way.
Check naman. So, this is my dinner for this afternoon. So, time check tayo. It's 4:23 in the afternoon. So, gumawa lang ako ng sausawan ko. And then, nandiyan yung jowa ko. Ayan, ako kumakain. So, ayan. Suka na may toyo at saka may sili. Tapos, ito yung tilapia. Ang laki ng tilapia. $13 to. Tapos, meron pa akong natirang coke. Hindi ko alam may... Actually, root beer pala. Root beer pa ako. So, ayan ang ating early dinner for today. So, ayan guys. And then, ito nga pala ang aking tetanus shot. Ayan. Ito yung reason kung bakit ito yung sinuot kong damit today. Kasi para mabilis akong ma-injectionan. So, ayun lang guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video even though it is just a short video. I don't know if it is just a short video pero parang naiklian lang ako kasi ilang oras lang naman ako nag-vlog for today. Hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog guys. Enjoyin ko muna ang aking food. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Or if you're new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the bell button beside it to be notified whenever I post a new video. So see you again guys on my next vlog. Have a great day ahead and bye. Peace out. God bless us all and mwah.